Serbian Language Podcast 1. Lingvistička rasprava. Kako se piše? Virus korona ili koronavirus? Linguistic debate. How to spell it? Coronavirus as two words or coronavirus as one word. Vocabulary. The word lingvistička is an adjective connected with language or the study of language. Rasprava is a noun and it means debate, discussion. Kako se piše? It means how to write something or how to spell something. And it's in the passive form. Pisati is a verb. In the present tense, the verb is in the slightly irregular conjugation group that we call the EU group. So the forms in the present tense are ja pišem, ti pišeš, on piše, ona piše, ono piše, mi pišemo, oni pišu, vi pišete. So the answer to this question is that koronavirus, so the coronavirus is spelled as one word.